Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will begin by making the connection tangible. Install the DB extension that matches your database and the native driver or CLI tool. Once done, add a short connection string into a secure env or settings JSON entry so you can reference it without typing credentials repeatedly. Make sure to give the connection a clear name and verify with the CLI first. This avoids extension permission quirks. Now open VSCode and the extension pane so you can add the same connection there and proceed to authenticate. Next, configure the profile inside the extension. Paste the connection string or fill host, port, user, database, and password fields. Once configured, run a quick test query such as select one or select version to confirm the server responds and your user has the necessary permissions. If you need secure access, set up an SSH tunnel or SSL options in the same profile. This prevents intermittent failures. Make sure IntelliSense and Schema Explorer load so you can navigate tables and generate queries faster. Finish by integrating the connected database into your project. Update your app's data source or ORM config, run migrations, and test both application queries and manual queries from VS Code. Create tasks or a debug launch configuration to automate common scripts and ensure env is ignored in version control to keep secrets safe. If something goes wrong, inspect extension logs, verify firewall and port settings, confirm credentials and SSL options, restart VS Code, and retry the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.